Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to our channel.
Hi!
Let's play. Look! These are surprise eggs from Zenon's farm. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa!
Let's play. Blue. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic! It's Bartolito the rooster. Rooster. Excellent.
Bartolito was a rooster on a quiet little farm. When the sun came up, Bartolito crowed like this. No, Bartolito, that's a cow.
All right!
Awesome. Green. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic! It's Lola, the cow. Cow. Excellent.
Yay!
Lola the cow, Lola the cow. She has a tail and makes a funny sound. Lola the cow, Lola the cow. She has a tail and makes a funny sound.
All right!
Very good. Red. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic! It's Bertrand, the horse. Horse. You've done it.
My draft horse is the biggest and the best. He works so hard and that is why I love him. He seeds everything then gathers in the harvest. He has no schedule and has no target.
Very well, folks. We have played and learned so much together. Come back soon, folks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep on playing. Goodbye.
Bye-bye!
Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to our channel.
Hi!
Let's play. Look! These are surprise eggs from Zenon's farm. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa!
Let's play. Purple. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic! It's a chick. Chick. Excellent.
Yay!
This is the farm with little birds and bunnies jumping all around. The turkeys gobble, the chickens cluck.
All right!
Awesome. Yellow. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic! It's Tito. Tito. Excellent!
Crazy, I know. A pig oined, a cat cried, a duck flew off, a dog barked, a cow mooed, then a horse kicked.
All right!
Very good. Orange. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic! It's Batarasa the hen. Hen! You've done it!
Yay!
Where is the chicken Batarasa? Batarasa, Batarasa. Where is the chicken Batarasa? Batarasa's not here. Is she in the hen house? She's not.
Very well, folks. We have played and learned so much together. Come back soon, folks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep on playing. Goodbye!
Bye bye!